Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and this morning I'm joining two hashtags. I'm joining hashtag Two Crafters One Design. That's Melissa, Mo Creations, Lisa, you see I'm a diva, Gloria with Girlies Cards, and then I'm also joining hashtag Sad More Makes. That's Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Designs Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. So with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, each week they give you a theme and ask you to create something with that theme and then upload your videos on Saturday. Hashtag Sadmore Makes, Jill likes you to craft all week long and then upload your designs on Saturday morning for everyone to see. So let me get started. So this week's theme for Two Crafters One Design was Easter. So Easter. So let me show you what I used to make my card. So first up is these enamel dots from the Stamp Market, super cute. And then from Spellbinders, this is label 17. This has 6 cutting dies. This is really an adorable design for the label. And then new to my stash is this My Creative Time paper pad, and it's the Springing Watercolors, and it's 2025. I believe it came out last month. When I saw the flowers, I was so super pretty. Love the soft, sorry about that, my light is kind of flickering. Love the soft pastel colors. From my stash, I've used this one for years. This is a stamp set from Jaded Blossoms, and this is called Blessed Easter. And then the star of the show was the large die of the month from February 2025, Spellbinders Dancing Happy Bunnies Everywhere. So this is a super sweet die set. It has all kind of things that you can make to have your bunny holding flowers, a paintbrush, pail, carrot, and there's a little birdie, and their outfits are super adorable. I had so much fun cutting out several of them. It also has a sentiments, happy Easter and Hello Spring. I didn't use those in this card this time around, but maybe in a future card. So let me also share with you that on all of my cards, I use VersaFine's pigment ink for their fine detail, and it's the Onyx Black. I really enjoy using this. This has been my go-to black ink for years. Every card that I make has, it's somewhere on the card has this ink, and it may be just on the back where I have my stamp for my YouTube channel name, FP Handmade. I just wanted to share this with you. I purchased this years ago, and it's from Bossy Jossie, and the website is joscie.com. It's a little pricey, but I think it's a good, I don't want to say investment, but a good time saver without having to look for a sticker or make stickers for the back of your cards or handwrite anything. I have stamped this on the back of my cards for years, so good stamp there. And then I use art glitter glue. This is my go-to glue. This is the bottle that's kind of beat up and still has the ink on it, and but this has been my go-to glue for a few years now. It dries quickly, it dries clear. I usually never have issue with it. The only time is that if it gets a little cool in my craft room, in the winter, it kind of clogs up a little bit, but I've learned how to deal with that. So never make a card without it usually. And let me share the card with you. So here is my little bunny, and I think it turned out really cute. I just have the bunny. It's a little girl bunny, and you can see by her little eyelashes, and then she has a scarf around her throat because she's so cool. And then I have her holding flowers. Super simple. Just cut out the label die twice to give it a little dimension. Glued it on the paper, and there you go. On the inside of the card, super simple. With the wishing you a blessed Easter from the Jaded Blossom stamp set, as well as this adorable little bunny. And then on the back here, you see my maker's mark. So that's my card I wanted to share today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think of the card below. Welcome if you're new to my channel. If you're a current subscriber, I appreciate you subscribing. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up at the bottom. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.